Yes, listen to me. In exercise 8.1, question number 3. Okay. It is your front part.
Yes, sir.
This is your front part. One, and we are observing here two face, one and two. This is your front view. Okay. And side view, we are observing only two face, this and this. This is your side
The
view.
third one. First one top.
And
Top.
from top we are observing three face. Okay. This is your top view. Top view. Okay. Please tell me the next.
First one side.
Front view. How many face can you observe from the front?
Four. The side.
The front side,
Front.
front,
Hey,
the front में 3, side में 2.
front 3. 1, 2 and 3.
The second one front.
1, 2 and 3. This is your front view.
First one is
Front
side.
view.
Third one is top.
And from the side we are observing only two face.
Two face.
This face and this face. This one and this one. Okay. This is your side view. And from the top we are observing four face. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your top view. Okay. And in the C part, please tell me the front view. In front view, we are observing the four face. Four face. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
The third one.
The front.
The
The
third.
third
This
one.
is your front view.
Yes, sir.
The third one is front.
Front view.
First is top.
The first
And
is
from the
top.
side,
Second is
from the
side.
side we are observing that this one and this
First one
one.
is side.
Second
Three.
one side.
The side
This is
the
side
second
view.
one.
Side view.
First front top.
First one top.
And from the top we are observing this face and this face.
The first one.
That is top view. Top view. This is the top view. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, next one is
First one.
D part. Please tell me the front view.
Side. The side.
Front.
The front.
The front view.
The second one.
Second one.
The
Front.
second.
From the front we are observing the 1, 2, 3, 4. This
Second.
is the front view.
Second.
Front view. And from the side view we are observing this.
The two. First one.
The first one.
This is side view. And from the top we are observing this face and this face.
Three. Third one.
Three face. That is top view. Okay. And in this E part, please tell me E part.
The side वाला.
The first one is side.
So first is
first
front,
is
second is
front.
top, third is side.
So third one is side, second one is top, first one is front.
STF.
This is
FTS.
your front side.
FTS.
This is your front side.
One.
From first side we are observing this face and this face. Okay.
So first one.
First.
STF.
First one,
Yes.
The side.
front view.
Third.
Front view. And from the side view we are observing the
Third part.
The third part.
this one and this one.
The third part.
Third one.
The third.
Third.
This is side view.
Yes. So now the second one is top.
And from the top we are observing this portion,
Second.
this portion and this portion.
So second.
the top view. Top view. And in question number 4, draw the front view, side view and top view of the given object. Front. In front from view you will observe that this portion.
सर में बनाना है
बिल्कुल बनाना है.
कॉपी में
So,
सर ये सारा करना है
And
कॉपी
from the side we will observe this portion.
सर
And from the top we will observe this portion also, this back side portion.
सर
so in 10 point exercise करना है.
हाँ, करना है.
सर पूरा क्वेश्चन 1 2 3
Yes.
1 2 3
हाँ, नहीं 1 2 3 part you will do in your book, and question number 4th you will do in the notebook. Okay. This is your military tent. Front view, side view and top view. Okay. And in table it is your front view, side view and top. In a C part, a nut. Front view. It is your front view. It is your front view. Side view, we will observe the 3 parts same side view, and top view we will observe this portion.
हेक्सागन नहीं पेंटागन नहीं हेक्सागन
A hexagonal block. A hexagonal block.
6 साइड्स
1 2 3 4 5 6
हेक्सागन
hexagon. Side we are observing this part 1 and 2. आपके पास साइड से देखेंगे जी, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, आपके पास ये दिखाई देगा, ये दिखाई देगा, नीचे का पोर्शन दिखाई देगा. ठीक है. एंड टॉप व्यू वही 3 फेस दिखाई देंगे हमें, ये फेस और साइड का फेस. ठीक ना. अगर हम साइड से देखते हो साइड में भी 3 फेस दिखाई देंगे और टॉप में भी हमें 3 फेस दिखाई देंगे
सर डाइस का
हेक्सागन ब्लॉक में.
सर ई पार्ट ऊपर
वन मोर पार्ट.
हाँ सर 2 है ई
फ्रंट 1 2 3 1 2 3. ओके. साइड 1 2.
सर टॉप है सर साइड में एक ही दिखा रहा है ना फ्रंट मतलब 1 टॉप में तो नंबर
Front and in top side view 1, only 1, and in top view 1 and 2. A solid. Front 1 2 and 3. 1 2 and 3. This portion. Front. Side 1 and 2. From side we will observe जो उसके साइड में पोर्शन है नीचे की तरफ देखो वो पोर्शन
नीचे
है
साइड में
1 और ये
3
यहाँ पे एक, यहाँ पे 2 साइड में है.
सर 3 है
ये पोर्शन है. ठीक है ना. टॉप में दिस एंड दिस 3 पोर्शन यहाँ पे होगा. ठीक है ना. ठीक है. ओके डू इट फास्ट. जल्दी उठाइए इसको. कहाँ करवाते हैं. डू इट.
हाँ घर पे